Hola, what's up? It's Snow, and this is Snow by the Day. We're here for another plan with me. I'm already late. It's Wednesday yet again, and I don't have my spread together. Even though I don't have a lot going on, I still have things going on. I need to write them down, and I like to document when I do things because I have a horrible memory. So I like to go back and see when I did something because I never remember. That's enough of the jibble jabble. Make sure you thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe if you haven't, girl. I know I'll be a little late on my videos, but they gonna upload. I'm gonna upload. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss when I upload. Let's get to this plan with me. Lego. Let's get this plan with me rolling. We're going to start with the washi, of course. It came from a Happy Planner roll. I've never used it before. It's my first time. I'm not your rainbow type-ish planner babe, but I am today, and I think I'm going to love how this comes out. But yeah, I think you can kind of tell that paper, one paper is one color and one paper is the other. One came from Clever Fox and one is the new filler paper from Amazon, and I'm loving that white paper, y'all. Y'all know I'm a white paper snob, and I'm loving this new paper. The stickers I'm using are from the Dollar Tree. They are a cute little sticker book that I haven't really used, but we're using them today because they go perfectly with this rainbow-esque theme that I'm going for. Look at them headers. They cute though. Y'all, is it just me or the days really going by fast, like the weeks going by? Like, I really had every intention of doing the plan with me on Tuesday. I woke up today thinking it was Tuesday, and I looked at my phone and it was Wednesday. Is that happening to anybody? Or are y'all just being really productive to the point that you still are keeping track of what day it is? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Now it's time for some dates. Y'all, this must be a spread where I'm just using stuff that I rarely really use. Like, I have so many sheets of those colorful round date stickers. Yeah, we're using them today, buddy. Because if we're going to go rainbow, we're going to go rainbow hard, honey. Everything's a rainbow. You get a rainbow. You get a rainbow. She gets a rainbow. Everybody gets a rainbow this week. I most definitely have to throw down some little boxes because I need to take note, honey, that today, May 27th, is the kids' last day of school. Whoop, whoop. And my kind of unofficial last day is the 28th. I still have a week to finish everything out. But baby, y'all, I'm done with this school year. I don't even remember how many years I've been teaching as of now. I think this was year 6 and I'm going into year 7. It's one of those, y'all, COVID has me all the way messed up. I don't know what day it is, and I don't know how many years I've been a teacher. I don't know. The girl don't know. Y'all, so this is my favorite part. I love this part, this box, this big box of this whole like planner spread. It's kind of like my functional box, so I add me like a checklist, and that's usually my things that I need to do for the next week, so I don't forget the little notes I take. I add a little like a little tracker or whatever, throw some little, decorations in there. I just love that box. It's just so functional. By the way, I still really don't see anybody using those little Happy Planner doodle girls. Y'all went and bought those things up. I barely was able to get one, and I don't even see nobody using it. If you ain't using it, holla at me. Send me some Happy Mail shoot, because I love them little doodle girls. They cute. Love, love, love this spread. I love all the colors, and I can't wait to fill it up from Monday and Tuesday and today, and then finish out the week with this spread. I think it's absolutely beautiful, even though it's not my usual thing. It's not my traditional, one set of colors. It's all this rainbow, but I absolutely love it. I think it's pretty dope, and I can't wait to take some pictures and share it on Instagram. Oh, so if you're not on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. I have the link below. But like I said before, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see y'all next time. Deuces. But y'all, I love the color. I love the color scheme. You know I'm a white space planner, so I had to keep it fresh. Not too many stickers, but just enough. That's when you have to coordinate with all your stickers and your colors so that you don't have to do too much.